Yo. All right. We're gonna get right into it, man. Yo, what's up, man? Eric here, and this is my first time doing a video like this, man. I just wanted to show y'all this app that I've been using for a couple months now, and it's called the Amen Break Generator. Right, the Amen Break Generator. Let's just jump right into it. Let me just show y'all what it can do. Here we go. So, as y'all can tell, as y'all can see, man, it's a super cool app, super intuitive, man. And there's that's not even it, man. It's not it at all. If you press that little button right there, this little transient looking thing in the middle, you can adjust the BPM. You can go up or down, of course. You can also change the patterns. There's different breaks. There's different. I can't remember what this second one is, but we're going to go through it together. And let's just press play on this bad. All right. Oh, okay. I know what those are now. Okay, cool. So those are user loops or custom loops that you import yourself. I have never needed to use that because the breaks alone that's already installed on the app is freaking crazy. So let's go back and well, actually, let me just explain this app real quick. You have 16 steps right up here, 4, 8, yeah, 12, 16. Okay, cool. And they label where the snare is on, that third step right here. So that makes the remixing and timing and putting your filters and flangers on. It makes the timing a little bit better. Playing around inside the app and whatnot. So I recorded my own version of this first break here. Recorded my own version of that, remixed it and all that crazy stuff, and I dropped it here into this beat I made called Something Different. Something different for short, some diff. And we're just going to see how you can play around with the app and incorporate it into your own beats. Basically, what I did, I went on my iPhone. I bought the app. I think the app is, I think it's like $1.99, $3.99, something like that. It's not expensive at all. On my phone, excuse me, I'm an old guy on my cell phone. I downloaded the app. All you have to do is record it. Let me pull it back up. All you have to do is press record on your phone. Once you get the break recorded, it's going to save into your phone, into your files app. The Amen Break has its own folder in the files app. And you can send that file into Logic or whatever DAW you use. You know what I'm saying? You can see your files right there, yada, 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 and just drop that bad boy right into your this little area right here, and just check this out. So you see how you can just play around and make your beats, a little bit more saucy, put a little bit of flavor on there, I just blended drum and bass with a little feel good trap. You know what I'm saying? And this is the outro that I put together. Let's check this out real quick. So there you have it, man. Just real quick, simple, straight to the point. Amen break generator. It's amazing. It's freaking amazing, man. I can't remember the guy's name. Let me show you his Instagram real quick. Go on Instagram and type in Amen break generator. This guy is, man, it's amazing. It is truly amazing. Yeah, I just wanted to do a video on this, man. I don't see a lot of guys. See, 10 years old, man. The guy, man, this is amazing, man. Yeah, man. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Download the Amen break generator. Download the Amen break generator. Make your life easier. Stop going on YouTube and trying to find breaks. You have the generator right here, and you have it for life. As long as you have a Mac, as long as you're on Apple, you're always going to have it. So spice up your beats a little bit, man. Y'all be blessed. Eric out. Lastly, y'all, if y'all appreciated this video, please drop in on my Instagram and give me a follow. I'm going to be posting a lot of music content throughout, the week and things like that. I appreciate the subscribes and the likes and the comments. Y'all have a great day. Peace.